Cardi B is officially vowing to never get plastic surgery again after having to cancel concerts due to complications from her recent surgeries. What's up, y'all? It's Emile Ennis Jr. here with Clevver News, and Cardi B just tweeted that her most recent experiences with plastic surgery will most likely be her last. Now, her decision comes a few weeks after she had to cancel performances and concerts due to complications from her recent liposuction and breast augmentation. And if we know one thing about Cardi B, she loves making money moves. Now, Cardi wrote that she has been hitting the gym to avoid having to get surgery again, saying, quote, "I've been working out for the past 2 weeks because ain't getting surgery again, but let me tell you, I haven't got a headache ever since." Let me be the first to say, stick with it, Cardi. I mean, the gym can really work. You just gotta, give it some time. And fans are supporting her on this healthy journey. One person replied to her tweet saying, quote, "Wise decision to start hitting the gym. Take it from experience. You'll feel and look better. Your body will appreciate you and show you the love that you're now giving to it. All that fake stuff isn't necessary. Good luck and God bless you and yours." And another said, quote, "Good for you, Cardi. Hit that gym and build that body the right way." And this tweet comes just a few days after Cardi shared a picture of her swollen feet to show one of the many side effects of her recent surgeries. And if you have a weak stomach, here's your warning to look away, because this is not your average wiki feet situation. These feet are not cute. She wrote, quote, "Look how swollen my feet get every time I take a plane. Imagine my body. Reasons why doctors told me to chill on shows." Oof. That honestly looks pretty serious, and it might be. Entertainment Tonight spoke with famed plastic surgeon Dr. Terry Dubrow, who you know from the plastic surgery show Botch, my favorite. But Dr. Dubrow said that Cardi really shouldn't be having this type of complication this long after her surgeries. He told ET, quote, "It means one of two things is going on. One, you may have blood clots in the legs, which is a very serious problem, which if you do and they break up and they go into your lungs, that's a pulmonary embolism and that can be life-threatening. Or two, you have a reduction in lymphatic return, which means you got a problem in the lymph vessels in the groin, and that's a significant problem." Ooh. So either way, it sounds like it's probably for the best that Cardi is laying off from the surgery from now on. But we just want her to be happy and healthy. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think of Cardi B swearing off plastic surgery? And do you have any fitness tips for her when she's hitting the gym? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified every time we post. And when you're done with that, click right over here for a brand new video and give this video a big old thumbs up. Thanks again for hanging out with me here on Clevver News. I'm Emile Ennis Jr. and I'll see you next time.